And right at the end of our website, we're going to add the footer. Okay, so there is a footer tag you can use for this. And I'm going to add the container. Okay, so it has the same width, but I'm not going to add the container padding because we're going to use a smaller padding. Okay, and now I have a paragraph that says Magic Artistry, all rights reserved. Well, we are already at 2025. I started this course last year, but we are almost ending January. Okay, so now I added another divider with class social links, so I can style everything inside, and it has anchors with an image inside. Okay, so anchors don't need to have text. Okay, I can add here some text, you can see it here, but they don't need to have text. You can add other elements. Okay, an anchor is like a divider that you can click on. Okay, you can have text, or you can have an image, or whatever you want inside. Even the full footer can be an anchor. Okay, so I can add, imagine, let's do it here. Okay, the buy now section, I can add an anchor with a link to nowhere in this case, and I can have all the section inside an anchor. So now I can click everything is an anchor. Okay, everything is an anchor. So I can click the title, subtitle, the buy now button, everything is a link. Okay, in this case I'm going to remove it. Now for the styling, we're going to add a background, a black background color and a text color of white. Okay, the images were already there. Okay, these are the icons I gave you. They are in the images folder. Okay, so we have here the Facebook icon, Instagram icon, and Twitter icon, or X icon. Okay, they changed the name, but we're going to use it like this. So we have images inside. We just added a background and a text color, some padding. As I told you, we are not going to add the container padding because 4 will be too much. 4 M's will be too much. Okay. Now we add some margin, some inline margin. Okay. We can add margin 0. This is the top and bottom margin, and 0.5, or margin inline would be better. Okay, like this. It's the same. And now we're going to add the last part, which is going to be only adding a width of 24 pixels for the images. And now this, you can click on these images. Okay, we could add here the Facebook link. So https://facebook.com, and if you click here, this will open Facebook. Great, we have the footer.